Today I'm reviewing this sound machine, and I will let you know a few things I really like about this. For one, I like that it's chargeable and you can take it off of the charger and it's ready to go. So you can essentially take it anywhere you needed it once it's charged up. I have another sound machine that you can't. It just has to be plugged in all the time, but this one is rechargeable, which is awesome. So on the back here, oh, and the other thing is this one's very simple to operate. The buttons are easy. There's no figuring out pressing this button to get this on. Everything's very self-explanatory as far as how to, press the buttons, and everything plays for you. So on the back here, we've got the on-off switch. Turns it on. And obviously I already got it on a sound, but some of the sounds are amazing. They sound really real, and other ones not so much. This one here is the thunder, which is very good, but I'll just cycle through a few of them. These are the different fan sounds. This one I feel like doesn't sound good at all. It's like half heartbeat, half something else, I'm not sure. Maybe water. It doesn't sound great. I don't like that one either. The crickets is nice, if you like that sound. Birds, that one sounds pretty good. That's a fireplace, and that sounds terrible. Another fire. It just doesn't really sound realistic. This one I think is a creek. Again, this one doesn't sound great either. That one sounds a little bit better. I'm assuming that's rain. It's okay. More rain. The thunderstorm one probably sounds the best. Ocean. That one's not bad. Another ocean one, and we're back to the beginning here. This one's just white noise. I like this one. It's almost like a meditative sound. Lullaby. Back to the beginning. Up here we've just got the volume up, volume down. I like how self-explanatory it is. This turns the lights on. Or I'm sorry, that's the brightness. Yeah, this one turns the light on. And this is the brightness of it. You can turn it up or down. Just click it to pick the different colors. That one turns it up and down. I'm not sure. Oh, this one does the pulsing effect with the light. Like it's breathing. So this one adjusts how it looks like it's breathing, and this one adjusts the brightness. Then you've got a timer on here. And it shows you down here. You can set it for 30, 60, 90, or 120. Or you can take it off and it goes all night long. So yeah, it is a good machine. Just some of the sounds aren't the best, but I love the portability of it. I love that you can recharge it and you're good to go.